1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and CHICO.
This is a good enough spot, I guess. So 30 days now. What were the good things? I guess being able to drive out to Arizona was nice. Being able to see that, checking out courtside, sleeping at truck stops. It was an experience. Would I do it again? Sure. I'm gonna give courtside another chance. I'm not gonna talk bad about it. Like I said, I'm not gonna talk bad about it. I'm gonna give it another shot. So I'm contemplating on getting that lift to get out there, but we've made it out there already. We did the mountains. We did a fire road that was 4x4 recommended, and we made it. So I think our van can do it. What else? Not paying rent is nice. Saving that money is good. Yeah, what else? You know, being able to hang out at the beach all day and watch the sunset at night. That's nice. But there's a lot of stuff that we learned in the last 30 days, like where to sleep. And we kind of thought, yeah, that was going to be an issue. But we didn't realize not only is it an issue to try to find a place to sleep, but you got to find a place to hang out all day. And that becomes an issue because you go from one place, wake up, go to the next place, and you just kind of hang out. And then your day gets cut into 3. You wake up, find a place, hang out, find a place, go to bed, find a place. So there's that. What would we do different? I think we probably would. What would we do to make that a little bit better, or what would we do differently? I think campsites. I read some comments where people are like, don't stay at truck stops, go to the campsites, go to the LTVAs. So this next 30 days we're going to do the LTVAs. We're gonna do courtside again. We're gonna actually go in and find a spot and hang out at courtside, but this time be ready. We're gonna bring our supplies, make sure all my batteries topped off, the fridge is cold, and yeah. So tonight I'm doing Thai food again, not because I thought it would be a good idea, because the first night we went into this I got Thai food. We actually are staying at a spot right now and it's close to a Thai food place, and it just happened to be a yellow curry night. So tonight we'll be celebrating our 30 days of van life in a hotel room. We're gonna spend a couple of nights in there because it's really stressful to try to keep finding a place to go every night, and we just wanted to relax. I actually got a nap today. We're going to get some good sleep tonight. We're gonna give the van a rest for a couple of nights. We've just been driving pretty much aimlessly around, you know, the area we're in, and I don't like doing that because that's wasting gas. And yeah, we're going to take this time to plan out the trip, and this time we'll spend maybe a week, 2 weeks at a campground this time, and do it the way we were supposed to do the first time. And that was our big mistake. Doing van life in a community that doesn't like vans is very tough, and yeah, it's tough. And then on top of that, we're still sad about Diggy. So having that on top of all of the new stresses this is a rough time right now for us. So I want to say van life is lollipops and sunshine. So I'm gonna lie to you and say it's fantastic. There's not a problem. But the van is held up pretty damn good. All that money we put into fixing the engine and making sure all that paid off. I mean, definitely a good investment. The lift is coming. I'm still waiting on that 1,000, but I might do it without you guys having to subscribe to me, because I don't want to do that to you. I don't want to force you to have to subscribe to me if you don't want to watch my epic videos of me van lifing full time, being broke. So this is my 30-day update. I will be traveling this time. I've met a lot of people so far doing this, all these van life people. I met Jackson, get your channel back up. So we chatted, met him in person finally. I used to watch his videos, and very funny videos, inspiring to see somebody else out there doing what we're doing, full timing it. And I've met a few other people with some good advice. And other than Jackson, all of the people that I've met that have done this are telling me I'm on the right path, that this is the right thing. And I don't know, maybe it's just in the wrong place. So I've been told by these people that, you know, we're doing the right thing, and I just feel like maybe we're just doing it in the wrong place. Thanks for yeah, in the wrong place. So oh, another thing about all of these van lifers that I'm meeting that are telling me I'm on the path, they're in their 60s and 70s. There's no 20s, there's no 30s, there's no 40s. They're up there. And they're telling me, yeah, you're doing the right thing, just keep at it. And they're telling me the places to go to. Now they're in these places here because where they're coming from is so cold, or it's just easier for them. But yeah, I need to go and get into the campsites, get out into the deserts, get out into the trees, the forests, and do the natural thing. And let's see where we head off to. I hear there's a spot in Arizona that's also one of the most magical places on earth, and I think it's called the Magic Circle. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, maybe my next video will be out of there. So I'm gonna go get my food right now. Hello. And I'm gonna sign off. And yeah, this is our first 30. And you know, those people that are watching that are secretly watching. So yeah, this is our first 30, guys. And if you guys are watching, we're doing okay. We're just tired, and we're gonna figure this out. It's been rough. We're learning the hard way. We're making a lot of mistakes, and maybe one of my videos will be about all the mistakes that we're making, so that whoever's out there looking at this thinking that this is awesome and you're jealous of what I'm doing, it's not all cake. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. We'll see how the next 30 goes. Like, subscribe if you haven't, and follow along. Leave a comment. I'm curious to know who's watching. Where are you guys from? Maybe I'll come out to visit. All right, I'm gonna cut this off right here.